Hi guys, Routemaster 487 here, and today we are at Barton Coach Company's depot in Barton on Clay. So we've just been given a little look round, so we're just going to have a look round at all of Barton's coaches, and we can get on some of them. Do you want to go on the Pro Bus? So this is a Pro Bus.
You don't know who I am, I'm Bus Spotter Bedford on Instagram.
Yeah, this is Bus Spotter Bedford on Instagram.
Old face reveal.
Stern tees. These are pretty decent, aren't they?
Yeah,
Ooh.
there's a bell there.
Why?
That's
what coaches shouldn't have. These are pretty decent actually.
I might do my own walk around video.
Cool.
For like IGTV.
You need to have a look around the minibuses as well.
So if you do yours, I'll do mine for Instagram TV.
Should maybe go live. HTV, we get this all the time, don't we? This is one of our school's regulars. Then we've got FWZ. This is another frequent one we get. Joe's just going live. I'm not as familiar with coaches as I am with buses, so I don't know loads about like the gearboxes on coaches and stuff, but tell you what, just look at these. These look pretty decent. Got an old TV. This is another one of their smaller coaches. Me and Joe need to try and stay out of each other's way because he's filming a separate video as well, so. Got one of their response vehicles. Now coming up here we've got a Mercedes, and this is new. It's just coming over the holidays, so they're going to try and re-livery this up into Barton Coaching Company livery, so that should look quite nice in white. Here we've got one of their 8-play super luxury coaches, and they're really nice. I've only been on that once and that is lovely. Then here we've got a Ford Transit, which is again just one of the minibuses they use for smaller schools, and a Vauxhall, another minibus, and another Merc. I believe that's one of their private hire council buses. And here we've got ex-Brighton and Hove GCD Dennis Trident President, which if we go to look round the front of it has actually got windscreen damage at the front. Another Ford Transit. If we look up here on GCD, some kids have smashed out the window in front of it, so it's all been sacked over. GCD's pretty good. I sometimes get her on my school route, so. And if we look round here, we can go into the actual maintenance depot where they actually maintain the buses, and they've got some running, so. Here's ZZP, this is another president, she sounds okay. I believe they're deep cleaning her at the moment, so they've got people on there, yep, they're giving them a deep clean. It's pretty nice. And I'm going to go over here where we've got another Mercedes, which is again to be liveried back up for the next school year. This is another small coach. These look, I think these are going to look really nice once they get into Barton livery. And we're also going to have a look at. Here we've got LTO to ZZP, which is just revving up. I think they're doing some maintenance to it, so. One of their Dennis Trident Presidents. I think they're deep cleaning them at the moment, doing some maintenance on them, so we've got some revs. These are pretty cool. I get this one of these to school every day. On the J86, which is pretty good. really nice Dennis Triumph President. I actually really like this. This should be us pulling in here now into the industrial estate. This is us pulling off.